guys, good morning. Meron tayo ditong product. This is from Korea. So, ating i-review siya. I think this is, yan siya. Yes, from Korea. So, open natin. Bango. So, ayan siya. Ang laman niya is taran! Yan po. Actually, this is Jellicious. Made from Korea. And inside is a jelly. So, titingnan natin. Let's find out. Smells so good, guys. Bango. Sarap siya. Cheers! Alam ko meron to sa mga convenience store. Meron siya nabibili. So, try nyo guys. Masarap siya. Bye!